Actually, you should find a piece of paper to draw the piano keys back on. But never mind that now. Let's take a look first. Intervals means seeing how many steps apart two notes are. How many keys, how many buttons, how many fries apart they are. This is the bass clef, so this is a G note. This one is an E flat. If you count on your fingers, G, A, B, so C, this fourth is definitely wrong. It should be a 6. Now we need to count how many piano keys are between G and E. I'm not afraid of the hassle, so I'll draw a piano keyboard right here. At this point, I'll say some nonsense just to fill the time while drawing. You must know how to draw this. In the exam, the room won't have these decorations or a real piano for you. You can take a paper out to draw it, but don't draw it beforehand. You have to show the paper is blank first. So, from G to E, let's check. How many keys should there be? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 9 keys here. 7. Did I count wrong? 8. No, so 9. Normally how many fries are in a sixth? What is a normal sixth like? You can just use C to A for comparison. Just use C anytime. C to A is a sixth. This is the standard. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A normal sixth should have 10 tones semitones. 7, 8. Remember C, 9, D, E, F, G is 10. The standard. Using C, D, E, F, G will never be wrong. C to A is a sixth with 10 keys. But now we have fewer 9 keys. Since it's fewer, it should be called minor. 4th S, 5th S, and 8th S are perfect. If a perfect interval gets smaller, the others are major. Diminished. If major becomes smaller, it is minor. If it gets even smaller, it becomes diminished. You'll get it after doing a few. Treble clef. This is C. This is G. Wow, this is too easy. Why? Because C and G are a normal, standard combination. We said we use C, D, E, F, G to calculate. What is the interval for CG? CG is a fifth. Now look. Be careful. Perfect is the correct term. A normal fifth is called perfect. It is not called major. Anyone who says that is wrong about this specific rule. I didn't count wrong. If I ticked that, I'd know what I did wrong. Next one. Ebb. This is G. Bass clef. E, F, G. That makes it a third. All the options are 3 are DS. That's good. Let's see how many fries semitones are in between. Ebb to G. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We landed on a third landing on 5 keys. Is that standard or not? We must use C and E to check first. C to E. 1, 2, 3, 4. Normally 5. It is 5 keys, so it is correct. The distance between these two notes is the same as C and E. So that means it's major. A third is major. Talking like this might be confusing. This is a treble clef. Just do it as usual. You don't need to worry about any variations. Just follow the template. I'll just write it out like this. It's a bit silly. Why not just give us 8 or 10 of these questions? Giving us more answers to choose from would be better. F, G, 8B. That's a 4. A bag of fries. Let's count how many strips there are. F to B flat. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many 5, strips are in a normal 6, bag of 4? 6 strips. Use C to F to compare. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is normal. 6. Normally, it's also 6 keys. A fourth is called perfect. If some students circle major, I know exactly what mistake they made. Okay. This treble clef. G to C sharp. This question is easy to do. You don't even need the piano. Just treat it as G to C. G, A, B, C. It's a fourth again. G to C sharp. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait, 6, I missed a note. 8 keys. 8. Oh, sorry. Wow. This is a disaster here. Because I hadn't counted up to here yet, I didn't see the problem. If any students saw it, that's good. Why are there so many black keys? There are no black keys between B and C. I was talking and drawing at the same time and got it wrong. Very bad. Okay, doesn't matter, let's keep going. You know this. If you find a problem while doing it, you'll be able to spot it. If you don't know, you won't see what the problem is. Maybe I have a problem now and I don't even know. That's just enough to pass. Just passing marks, not full marks. 2, 3, 7 4, keys. 5. Why did I suddenly realize there was 7. A problem? Because there actually wouldn't be 8 fries semitones. Why is that? Because now I count 7 strips in this bag of 4. A normal bag of 4 has 6 strips. A perfect fourth is 6 strips. One more strip makes it augmented. 7 is augmented. So 8 isn't even an option. Augmented is already the biggest. There won't be 8 strips. A bag of 4 will never have 8 strips. So I knew I counted wrong. I don't know if you understand. Listen a few more times. Listen until you understand. This one doesn't need the keyboard diagram F sharp to A. 3 bags. F, G, A. F sharp. 3 bags of 1, fries. 2, 3. We did one above 4. Earlier. There are 4 strips. A bag of 3 should receive 5 strips. Not 4 strips. So it's less. Less could be minor or diminished. If you can't tell if a bag of 3 is major or minor, you'll get this wrong. No, I meant to say if a third is major or normally be called major. Smaller than major is called minor. If perfect gets smaller by 1 strip, it's called diminished. Some students think perfect is easier to do. Seems like one less thing to remember. Try thinking like that to hypnotize yourself. Below, writing notes. For these questions, first you must draw the correct notes. It doesn't matter if it has a sharp or flat yet. You might still get to points. Let's try this one. This is a G, a 7th. Count your fingers. G, A, B. It should be an F note. D. So how many fries is a major 7th? Here, you do it like this. Think back to a normal 7th. Major 7th is normal. C to B. 1, 2, 3. Then check how many fries there are. 1, 2, 3. So it's 12 strips. 5. Normally, there should be 12 strips. 7. So, 8. We need to make 12 strips here. 10. Because now it's 11. Like the customer wants 12. To buy 12 fries. So we have to scoop 12 strips for them here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 11, 5, 12, 6, F sharp, 7, 8, 9, 10. It must be F sharp. Let's count one more time, starting from G. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 5, we need to add a sharp 6, here. 7, 8. Some 9, students memorize the scales 10, and know G major 11, has F hashtag 12. Dot. But I don't use that method because it's not always that easy. I think this method is easy, but it might not work for students in the short term. Next, a 5th. This is an E note. E, F, G, A, B. It must be a B note. We need to check how many fries keys they want. They want 5 bags, minus 1 strip diminished. Where is a standard bag of 5? C to G. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bags. Normally, counting C to G. 1, 2, 3, 4. A normal 5th 5, receives 8 strips. 6, 7. But they want minus 8. 1. So, 7 strips. We started counting 7 strips from E. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It turns out to be B flat. 6, 7. Remember, draw the notes first. If you don't draw the note, some students count foolishly. They land on this key and write a sharp. A sharp is wrong. Because a sharp is not 5 bags. E to A is only 4 bags. E, F, E to B G is 5 bags. A. They explicitly asked for 5 bags. So don't argue. It's the same sound, but different names. Let's look at this one. This is an F. Wait. 6, F, G, A, F, B, G, C, A, D, B, E, C, D. It should be D. Compound means an octave higher D. Originally, we thought it was this, D, F, G, A. Wait, sorry, this isn't F. You see, if you count while talking, you make mistakes. I mean, if you thought this was F, you wouldn't be able to count to D. This is actually A. This is the bass clef, not treble. I'm demonstrating how you can spot your own mistakes. A6, A, B, C, D, E, it would go to F. So it should be this F note. But now we need to add a big octave. So it's not this F, it's the higher F. Now we count. Major 6. We did the notes, so we don't care about the word compound anymore. Just look at major 6. Major 6, C to A, we have that here. We did it before, sorry. C to a sixth has 10 strips. That means the customer bought a bag of 6. We need to scoop 10 strips. Let's try scooping from A. 10 strips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It should land on F sharp raised F. 8. Wait, 9. There is no sharp. 10. So add it. Next one. Minor second. A second is very easy. This is just next door. So F. Let's check what a minor second is. First, check a major second. C to D. 1, 2, 3. Normally it's 3 strips. Minor is 1 less. So to strips. They want to strips. Let's see where E flat to strips goes. 1, 2. It should be an E note sound. That means F flat. We drew an F, don't erase it to write E flat. So E to F flat is to strips. Don't think it's weird, that's how you do it. Some students say it looks cross-eyed. No. That's it. If you are really unsure, check the basic interval rules. Doing this past paper is actually a bit faster, less detailed. I have other videos on basics. Okay, that's it for this part. I'll cut the back part later.